Welcome everyone. Today we are making homemade mayonnaise. This is a delicious, super versatile condiment which can be used with fish, chicken, french fries, salad, so on. Later I'll make chicken salad for example, so what a great opportunity to make my own mayonnaise today. There are different ways of creating mayonnaise. In this video I'm going to show you how to use an immersion hand blender because it is really fast and easy to get homemade mayonnaise this way. Let's see what we need for this recipe. 1 egg, lemon juice, white vinegar, salt, mustard, this is optional but recommended, some extra virgin olive oil and plenty of vegetable oil. Let's start. First, we start adding all the ingredients in our mixer cup. We start with our egg, add 2 pinches of salt, a spoon of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of mustard, 3 spoons of white vinegar, the juice of a quarter of lemon. Now measure these ingredients carefully as we will need to add about 3 times the amount of vegetable oil to the mix. For example, if your mix is about 100 milliliters, then you will need to add 300 milliliters of vegetable oil. Once all the ingredients are in the mixer cup, it is time to mix them. Start from the bottom of the cup and turn on the mixer. Slowly raise the mixer up and down until all the oil disappears. Now, the reason why we don't use extra virgin olive oil is because your mayonnaise will be green and the flavor will be too heavy. I use peanut oil here, but any other seed oil will work. And here we go, magia. We got homemade mayonnaise. Creamy, tasty and healthy. Place your mayonnaise in a container and use it as a condiment for your dishes. Remember that this is mayonnaise made from fresh and healthy ingredients. There are no preservatives added, so use it as soon as possible. It will only last a few days in the fridge. Try your own magic and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you need other ideas, watch the next video and subscribe for more. See you next time.